everyone. Belated happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving celebration. Despite the pandemic and other problems in the world, we still need to be thankful to God, right? So make it a habit to count your blessings and stay positive, okay? For today, I am so excited to show you Carousel Effects Animation in PowerPoint. Please take note that I am using Microsoft Office 365. So I am not sure if all the effects that I am going to use here are available in your version. So what is Carousel Effect Animation? Let me show you. Can you see now? This is the sample that me and my mom have prepared for this video. As you can see, I have here a food chain sample, my current lesson in science. Interesting, right? So this is the food chain. Flower. It is the first stage in this food chain as insects usually get nectar from flowers. This is the butterfly. It is the second stage in this food chain. Butterflies and other insects are getting their food from plants and flowers. And the next one is the frog. It is the third stage in this food chain. Frogs and other small reptiles usually eat insects. And the next one is an eagle or birds. It is the fourth stage in this food chain. Birds usually eat reptiles and other small mammals. And next is the bear. It is the fifth stage in this food chain. Bears are omnivores. They can eat both plants and other animals. So this slide is useful for teachers. I hope my teachers are watching my video. Teacher Hosada, Teacher Elaine, Teacher Chanel, Teacher Jolina, Teacher Bert, Teacher Cecil, Teacher Sheila, Teacher Kate, and Teacher Polly. Okay, I will show you the end result first. As you can see, when I click on the image, screen zooms in. Then when I click again, it shows the description of the image. See, it is so nice, right? For sure your viewers will surely like the video and the animation. For this animation, you need to do the following rule. In getting images, just search the images that you need and use a snipping tool like this, then apply circular effects in your image. Like this, see? After that, for the description, just click the text box, then go to animation lines, then choose right. Adjust the line and make sure it will not overlap the image. Do the same process for your other slides. For zoom, go to your main slides where you want to put your carousel. Click on insert, then choose zoom. Slide zoom. Select the slide that you want to put in the carousel. On insert button, then go to zoom tab and click on zoom background. Ta-da! Yay! It is already there. Isn't it cool? Our slide looks amazing now. And that's all for now, folks. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy and see you in my next video. Bye!